checkpoints. All right, class. To begin our lesson for today, we are going to be talking about the Earth. Now, you may not realize this about the Earth, but it is the only planet in the entire solar system that contains life. Why is that? Well, we have an atmosphere that protects us from everything that's in space. We also have trees that produce oxygen so we can breathe. Isn't that amazing?
Mr. Brandworm?
Yes?
I have something amazing.
And what would that be, young Chad?
Well, my beautiful body, of course. It's amazing.
Well, now that you've had your 10 seconds of attention, would you please take your seat?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bro, you were wicked stupid for doing that. Keep it up, we'll get another detention, which will make, like, 3 this month?
No worries, Alex. Hey, did, Kate look at me?
Well, yeah, I think she did. But, is that the reason why you did that?
Yeah, of course. I'm such a player, and she's such a pushover. She loves me.
Dude, you've got to teach me how to do that.
Well, it's really simple. You just kind of turn your head like this and close one eye while you leave the other one open and maybe, like, tilt your head.
No. You've got to teach me how to get a girl, Chad.
Well, I can teach you all that, but, Billy, you got to have it all right up here.
Your brain? What about your heart? Doesn't your heart have anything to do with getting a girl?
Nah, man. Save all that heart stuff for the movies. In real life, it's all about a man conquering and...
Excuse me, boys, but if you don't stop talking, you're both going to get detention. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Then let's focus up here. To begin our discussion for today, I'd like to ask you all to begin thinking about some amazing fact about the Earth. Anyone? Michelle, what is your amazing fact?
Well, I think the dirt is pretty amazing.
Wow, Michelle. The dirt, that is so lame. Why is the dirt so amazing?
Well, you see, the dirt is amazing because without it, we couldn't have any food and we would starve.
Or we could just eat meat all the time.
No, silly girl. Don't you realize that after a while, all the animals would be dead? How do you think they grow up? I'm glad you asked that question. I'm so funny. I didn't even give you time to respond. Wasn't that funny?
Michelle,
What?
could you please finish your point?
Oh yeah, sorry. Okay, so my point is that we plant seeds in the dirt and they grow into trees and they produce oxygen in the fruits and vegetables that we eat. And it also keeps the animals alive so that we can have meat. And speaking of meat, do you realize that one time I saw my grandpa kill a pig? It was so hilarious. He was gonna hit the pig with a big board right on the noggin, but then right before he did, the pig turns around and he hit him in the rumpus. And boy did that pig squeal!
That is so dumb, and you are so irritating. Will you please just be quiet?
Yes, Michelle. Please take your seat right now.
Oh, okay. Well, sorry, I just thought it was really funny.
Quiet!
Sorry.
I don't know how your parents can take it, that constant talking all the time. But that's not our concern at the moment. Now, back to the science lesson. I'd like for you to all begin thinking of some project you can do that has to do with something about the Earth. You can team up with 1 or 2 other students if you'd like. And it looks like we're out of time. There's the bell. We'll talk more about this tomorrow, but in the meantime, here, hold this. No, I gotta open it. Take one of these flyers.
Oh, wow.
No, don't, not in there. Pass them around. It'll tell you more about your science projects. So, class is dismissed.
Hey, Chico. Hello. Chico, I did it again. I blew it. I try to fit in, I really do. But what do? You stick your big foot in your mouth. I stick my big foot in my mouth. You're right. I talk too long and too much and too much. Yeah, you're right. I can't help it that my dad dropped me on my head repeatedly throughout the years. Just kidding, not really. Well, actually, I don't know. Maybe he did. It sure would explain what a nerd I am. I just wish that there was somebody who could love me for just the way I am. I don't know, love me with no strings attached. I wonder if there is somebody like that. But until then, I guess I'll just go on being ignored and labeled a nerd. All right, well, come on, Chico. Let's go figure out what our science project is going to be.